Yo, are we live? Oh, there we go. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Yo, the market trying to move a little this morning. Like it's trying to move, but it's not at the same time. Hope everyone's doing all right. Actually, I hope you're doing amazing. If I'm being quite honest. Let's see what we got going here. You see, we got a little run on these past like what's that like 20, 30 minutes? My life be like top of the morning. Appreciate you. Hey, to the other three of you out there, appreciate you. Also appreciate you smashing the like button. All right, let's pull that a little forward for this Apple trade. See what we got going on. All right, so SPY pulled back here. I'm actually take the SPY down to a 15. Let me get a look at Apple on the 15 too. See, stretch that on over. Let's see. Let me come down, look at the SPY. Or not SPY, look at the Qs. Hey yo, friendly reminder, heads up. We got some data dropping 30 minutes in. So we'll be on the lookout. I'll actually let me come in, look, see if there's like anything that just looks nice. Let me pick a spot to focus on. Shoot, I hope they send us up. All right, so I'm in on Google. I'm down on what I'm in on Google. Let me go on draw this back down here. Draw this what's the target? Up like there. Okay. Yeah, draw that out all the way. SoFi. All right, SoFi announced some things. They do have some liquidity right here, so this is going to be an area of interest on SoFi. This from 26 like 63 or so. Let's see. Well, let's say 26.65. It looks like we could still get a move up to at least 27.44. So I like the idea of if we come down, sweep this, looking for some sort of move up to at least 245 or so. Wait. Yeah, is that 230? Yeah, 245. So yeah, I got that alert set on SoFi. Now I'm gonna use this to run through the list. All right, so we're a little flat on the Dixie. The VIX, yo, it's up, but it's like flat. PC, okay, nothing there yet. Gold, hey, gold's on the rise. That's not like the best, but it's not too concerning. Bitcoin selling off. Don't know how I feel about that. Analysts foresee Bitcoin facing downward pressure, potentially dropping to 50,000 to 75,000 due to weak liquidity. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see what else we got here. Let's see Lucid. BMN. Oh, wait. Nothing. Okay. Yo, Meta had this juicy spike up to like almost 690. But it probably needs to pull back to about like this 640, 48 area first. Oh, somebody's blowing my phone up a little bit. Let's see. Oh, these group messages, man. All right, let's Google, TTD. This thing still isn't moving. We'll see if I make money on that one. Already looked at SoFi, Oscar. Not looking. Yo, Oracle, we have movement and liftoff on Oracle. Let me zoom out, take a bigger look on this, see if there's something. Still in a downtrend. D-Scurve, top of the morning. Yeah, I see some red, but I see green. We got data and a little over 30 minutes is pretty big, so that'll kind of determine some things. But honestly, we'll have to see. I'm thinking about like snagging my profit on the Apple at open. It's probably not anything crazy, but it's a good start to the day. Or it'd be a good start to the day. Let me see how that's doing. Oh yeah, I was up like 15% on that towards the end of the day yesterday. It's like nothing wrong with a little see profit, take profit. Give me a little more to trade with today. See, AMD. Oh wait, let me bring that back. Let me bring it back down. Ooh. Ooh, Netflix. Ooh, hold up. We got a trend line Netflix about to come in contact with. Oh, it's a little different on different time frames. I think I drew it on the 4-hour though, so. Yeah, Netflix about to come in contact with the trend line. There's also like this level over here, so about 95 or so. 97, 95, somewhere in that range it looks like. Let me check and see. Oh, I got it set on the daily chart. Let me see. For the daily, oh no, yeah, it's still pretty close. So around like 97, it'll be there. Set Bitcoin down. Yup. Almost 2%. Hold up, ETH fell some more? Oh no. Okay. Yeah, it's not looking good there. The dollar's holding in the same spot, and gold was up, and the VIX it's like barely up. So, oh, that might be part of why I'm like, oh yeah, let me take some off the table. Yeah, Netflix Warner Brother deal went through. Bullish long. Yeah, I saw that. So here, let's look at Netflix history real quick. Every time they touch this trend line, let's see how much they move. All right, so the last time they touched this trend line, August 5th. It ran from August 5th to, it went on like a 2-week run. It ran 21%. Before that, or I guess when it started here, I'm gonna measure the part before the pullback. So from, it ran about, I guess like 8. Wait, what is that? What is it? I ran 18% for that first move. All right, so 18%, 21%. This is fair value gap. So yeah, if we pick it up here, from here, I'll be conservative. Let's say 15% if we're looking for a target. So if it comes here, 15%. That kind of seems insane. That's a 15. Oh yeah, that's like a $15 move, or what would have been a $150 move. I think I like my odds on that. So a lot of signals pointing red today. That there are. We do have some data. Don't want to forget about that data that comes out in about 33 minutes or so. But yeah, I'm probably about to, like, I was looking to ride Apple higher, but nah, if I'm up on a swing and things are pointing down, I'm probably about to get out of this thing. Live to trade another day. Let's see. Yeah, I got my Apple up. But the spy trying to push. Apple's trying to push too. Actually, if it can stay up here, I'm cool with that. Or if it wants to do like a quick spike at open, I'm really cool with that. Let me see how much I paid for it. I paid like $3.15. All right, let me get back to running through. All right, so Netflix, that's one that looks good for like a longer swing for me. Let's see. Tesla has a kind of a strong trend, but me personally, I will not trade it. Kong, top of the morning, top of the morning. Um, yes, I would like to see if there will be a quick spike. Yeah, there might. I'm probably gonna like cut on out. I don't like to like play with it. It's like I'm cool with missing out just to take it easy. All right, so Amazon, we just got to cross to the downside and it's coming back to retest. So I know I have that call, that far out of the money call on Amazon going into next year. But honestly, Amazon looks like it's approaching this area right here, this 231. This looks like it might be a good move today, like a short on Amazon from this area right here, this 13 EMA. They just crossed to the downside. It looks like they're kind of have some downward market structure going. I'm gonna add an alert. All right, market's open. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can get out of this Apple contract. I guess got to give it a minute for it to like kind of upload, but I'm going to real quick just set this on the 13 EMA. I tried to put my order in, but Apple started moving down. See if I can get filled. Nah, I might be moving down. Come on, the spy is looking good. Spy's pushing up, but I'm not sure if I'm. I think Apple has it in it. Come on. Okay, I got filled. So I'm out of Apple at 360 per share. Let me go on and share that real quick. Oh, my Google is green now. So I still have a call on Google. One thing I'm looking at like probably soon is a short on Amazon. Let me just quickly send this message out in the WAP. I do like the idea of a short on Amazon. What is where? Just took profit on AAPL call, sold out at 3.60 per share. All right. Netflix big drop 97 and falling. I don't think I got an alert yet. Here, we'll swap this one right here. Oh no, not yet, not yet. hit 90. Okay. Yeah, it's like whenever it hits that, I should get it, but we'll see. Uh Henry, top of the morning. Patrick. Patrick. Hey, good morning. Oh, Patrick rolled through once a week. Hey, happy Patrick Day. Meta is rocketing. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, on the lower time frame. Okay. I gotta see what a rocket is. But honestly, I'm not mad if the market wants to move up. Uh to those of y'all that like just came on the stream fresh, we do have data coming in 30 minutes in. So in about 27 minutes we get some data. So that could change the course of where we kind of go. But what is I saying? I guess I can change this Apple. I can change this Apple to like, I'll throw Netflix right here for now. So there's Netflix. We got Meta, Amazon. I want to keep looking. I set my alert for Amazon though. But Amazon looks like something I'd be cool with taking today. Oh, hold up, wrong chart. Wait, okay. Lucio, top of the morning. Why do you prefer trading options than stocks on leverage? You've so Lucio, one thing I can tell you is honestly, the more difficult something is, when you learn it, the more rewarding it can be. So I prefer to trade options because you can make a lot more, a lot faster. There are definitely greater risks involved, but I think I've been doing this like 6-7 years now. And oh, you said AMD rocket. Hold up. Netflix short term trying to buy up. But yeah, to answer your question about the options, is there is great reward in difficulty. It's like I have reached a point in my life of when I find difficulty, I run towards it because I find it to be so much more rewarding. It's going to be difficult in the beginning, but if it's difficult, it's more than likely it's going to be worth it on the other side once you get through. As if you continue to kind of take the easy way, find the easy things, it's just going to be easy, but it's not going to be like there's not going to be anything that sets you apart. So like if we were looking at, let's say we're looking at the SPY. So if like right here, this move right here that we got on the SPY, this is almost a $3 move. This, with the right option contract, that's 100% return for me. Whereas if I trade a leveraged, if I trade a, say I trade a 3x leveraged ETF, percentage wise, this is about a 1 point, let's say 1.3% return. So I think there's definitely benefits. There are times I would rather trade leverage ETFs, like whenever volatility is higher and options contracts are expensive, but yeah, whenever the risk reward is right, in my opinion, hey, options all day. Thank you, Lucio. You're welcome. Dominique, top of the morning. Hey, reminder, we got data in 24 minutes. Eyeing Snow for a quick flip. Hey, what's up, Ramiro? Let's see. Snow just had their earnings. They might, okay. Oh, okay, Ramiro. That's not a bad. Ooh, ooh. Hey, though, hold up. What do I wanna? So, hey, to 244. Hey, let's see what this. Yeah. Sure. Let me see if I can get some with the. Let me see if I can find something with what I would find to be enough time. Yeah, I'll go for that. I don't like the spread, but I say it's worth it. Hold up. Let's go like. Oh, hold up. Wrong account. I'm like, what? What you mean not enough buying power? Let me see. 1 second, y'all. I do like what Romero just said though. Romero came in here quickly with the gems. Hold up. Hold up. Let me. Was it snow? Okay. What is it? Hold up. Oh, hold up. Hold up. Come on. I'm getting lost. Where'd it go? I think the contract I was looking at already jumped up. Oh, oh, that is yeah, it did jump, but yeah, I feel like some of y'all got good at knowing what I like, cause here, let's see, can I get filled? All right, okay, so I just grabbed a Snow 250 call expiring December 26th, and I paid 273 per share. We'll kind of see what happens with that. I don't necessarily expect anything to happen until a week. Anything, I'm gonna target probably about like 243 or so on this. But yeah, I think it'll probably take anywhere up to like 10 days or so for this trade to play out. Let me shoot that out to the family. Let's see. Just grabbed a Snow. What is it? Was it 250 call? Expiring December 26th. Oh wait, hold up. Paid. What is it? Did I pay? $273 per share. All right. Oh, Netflix doing this thing. Okay. We still got data in like 19 minutes. All right, let's catch up with these comments. Okay. Peaceful Maniac, is swing trading more optimal? In my opinion, for the way I trade, swing trading is optimal. So most of the trades you see me take here today, I will enter the trades today. When I exit, who knows? I usually try to get about 3 weeks of time because I'm looking at these entries on the 4 hour. They usually yield pretty nice. Sometimes if they're out the next day or whatever, I'll take those profits and just like look for something else. But for me, swing trading is optimal because I can set my alerts, kind of go off, do my own thing, not worry too much. It's like if there's news that kind of brings the markets down, I'm like, oh, it has time. It's still looking good. I'd say I definitely win a lot more than I lose with this, and my wins are typically greater than my losses. So for me, it is, but there are things for other people that are that may work better for them. Also, hey, top of the morning, Romero. I hope you've been doing great. Yeah, I've been doing all right. Been doing better than all right. Oh, hold up. Did I miss my Amazon alert? Did that not go off? Amazon hit that level I was talking about getting the short at, but did I not set it? I don't think I said it. Let me see what this looks like real quick. Oh yeah, it came up there. Or actually it might have like barely missed. Hold up. Nah, it definitely touched it. What? So that was like, what? It's like $1 off. I still might go for that Amazon. We'll see. SoFi, yeah, SoFi, they issued some shares, and people were like, "Oh, these guys, okay." Just bought zero DT. Hey, good stuff, Romero. Cynthia, good morning. Hey, good stuff, Romero. SoFi about to lose. Hey, I want SoFi to come on down because that's that opportunity right there. Amazon, bro. Yeah, I wish I might get a better entry on Amazon, but honestly, where it's at now still may not be bad. We can see there's selling pressure. Do I use stop losses when I swing trade? Honestly, no. I will set levels in the charts to alert me. Like if it comes below this, I will have an alert that goes off and I'll kind of like look and reevaluate it, but I don't set the stop losses because they like to stop loss hunt, go just past the price of the stop losses, get people to close out, take that money, and then reverse the contract. So because of that, I don't set stop losses, but I don't know. Options are just too manipulated. It'd be one thing if I were trading stocks and I could look at like set specific prices and I know it would correlate with us to a specific level, but options aren't like that. So because of that, no, I don't. Lucian, good morning. Amazon. So I was looking at Amazon put. So if we go back up to the 4 hour, we can see Amazon kind of trending down a little bit. Actually, it just created a bearish range, and the EMA just crossed the downside and a little bounce off the EMA. Yeah, I'm probably about to go for that right now. I think I could see Amazon potentially coming, like making its way to this 224 level. So look, I'll probably look at that same expiration date that I was let's see. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need Amazon to chill for a moment so I can oh wait, hold up. Let's see. Right. All right. So I just grabbed an Amazon 220 put expiring December 26, and I paid 25 per share. And like my full on target, like if it were to come to it today, would be this like 224 or so. But honestly, if it makes any kind of like if it opens up tomorrow and it's like up a good amount, I'm taking profit. Let me share that one too. Wait. Just grabbed an AMZN put. Oh wait. 220 puts expiring 12/26. Paid 2.23 per share. Let me double check that. Yeah, 223. Yeah, there we go. All right. So yeah, got a call on the put. Market moving. The market is moving. And both stocks are moving in the right way. So I got two stocks I want to go up, one I want to go down. Google, I've had this a few days now. I just got back to the point where I was back in the green. All right. No place safe. SPY. Yeah, the SPY is moving. M-Cents 15. You know what just heard got take a snow play out my budget. Wendy's next. Oh, did you get in Apple? So I took profit on Apple. Oh yeah, I got in Apple like almost right after the stream ended yesterday. I took profit on Apple at open this morning. We got in Apple like pretty much right at the bottom yesterday. And you said TTD if I get bored. TTD. Oh, it's moving a little bit. It's in the green. It's still not doing anything crazy, but it's in the green. So TTD moved in the right direction, which is good. You said what's next, not Wendy. Oh, okay. Okay, I got you. Do you think SPY is gonna so Eddie, I think like we have data in 11 minutes. So we get core PCE, consumer sentiment, and inflation expectations. We get them all in 30 minutes. So I think we're going to get that data. I think it's going to take a few minutes for the data to be digested, and then we'll kind of get a sense of how the market's feeling about it. Like right now, like one thing you can see that what is it? One thing you can see that Descurve just posted, Bitcoin is at 90K, or actually it's playing around at 90K. So honestly, it's not looking the best, but you know, anything can happen there, so we'll see. You said Amazon take profit. I don't have a take profit price. It's a swing trade, so I'm gonna kind of evaluate it as time goes. If Amazon were to come to 224 today, I would take profit there, because I think that's an area where I can see a strong reversal, but that's like it. Unless things get bad, I don't think it's gonna go all the way there just today. So yeah, it's like Amazon could end up coming to like 227, and if it comes to 227, and if it's there tomorrow or there on Monday, and I'm up like 30%, I'm like, oh yeah, let me take this. So it's like where the take profit is gonna be, we'll see, but I'll be sure to alert it in the WAP whenever I take profit. What is this? Oh, hold up. Got a little Facebook Marketplace stuff going on. Okay. Here, let's see. All right, so we got the SPY pushing up. Looking good. Isaac, hey, top of the morning. Yeah, gotta come at it early in the morning on Fridays, you know. Come in to work a little earlier. Get the get to I guess go do stuff a little earlier too. All right, so Netflix kind of trying to jump. I'm gonna swap this to what is it, TTD for now? Just to get a sense. Let's zoom this out. Yeah, Spy make it look like it's trying to run. Hey, TTD, if we can like hold, let's say, I don't know, if we can get to like 41.20 and like hold, that's cool. All right, looks like Google just got a Alphabet is maintained at buy by Pivotal Research. Price target raised to 400 from share or 400 a share from 350. That's a good look for the Google call. Hey, let's see it. Let's shoot. I would definitely prefer for things to be bullish today. And yeah, we'll see what happens with Amazon. I still think Amazon can come down. I think everything is like playing out well. But if there were anything that could not play, I would say it's Amazon. But I also think like just looking at structure and everything, Amazon looks good to continue on. So I'm hoping everything else can go up. Man, look at Spy. Ooh, that guy doing his thing. Let me check back in on. Here, let me set an alert. I don't think I have an alert on Snowflake. Set. There we go. Wait. Okay. All right, and then did we sweep that? Did we sweep that? Yeah, we swept that. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna leave Snowflake alone because I don't necessarily expect that to like pop off today. It can, but I don't necessarily expect it. All right, Meta's not doing anything. Let's take it back to Netflix. Is my trend line off? That may have been the spot right there. Like it was awfully close. Shoot. Here, let me check the daily. Yo, my trend line might be a little off. I don't know. He'll be all right either way. Rug pull potential in 4 minutes. Hey, good call out. Good call out. There is definitely the potential for a rug pull. You know what I also see a potential for? Hey, run the like button potential too. T-minus no minutes. Yo, hey, smash the like button, family. To those of you that are unaware, to those of you that are not, just so you know. Hold on 1 second. Got a little. Okay. Yeah. To those of you that don't know, those of you that are unaware, just below the video, there is an icon. It's shaped like a thumb. If you don't know what a thumb is, yo, look at the little video down in the bottom left corner. There's a little man with a little thumb, and little thumbs up. Yo, you want to hit the icon that looks like that. It might do a little dance for you. It might change colors. You might see some confetti. Oh, the animation be going crazy with it sometimes. Sometimes me saying smash the like button might light it up while you're doing it. But yeah, what we like to do is we like to make it light it up, make it dance, get the likes up, you know. Share the vibe, strengthen the family, and it leads to, I believe it leads to better trades. It leads to us being in a better place, better energy, better vibes, and all in all, it boosts my ego. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But yeah, there's this thing. Oh yeah, you already know. Hey, I'm not trying to go to Alcatraz. I don't know what the Alcatraz threshold would be. It's like ever since we went private, it's kind of been a little different. But yeah, definitely don't want to go to Alcatraz. You know, it's a crime to not smash the like button. That's what we like to do around here. You said Netflix and Microsoft. Oh, hold on. There's something going on with my eye. So Netflix is popping off. Let's see what's going on with Microsoft. I might have missed the entry I was looking for on Netflix. I Microsoft I'm not a fan of, but if it looks good enough, and then my history trading is not my track record. What's going on with Microsoft? What do you have to say about that, Dominique? I I I personally don't like see anything, just like glancing at it. So yeah, I'm gonna go back. If you want to give me like some detail on what you mean when you bring up Microsoft, please. But yeah, I have nothing to say when I look at the Microsoft chart. Hey, Henry said hit the hang loose button. Hey, yo, if there was a hang loose button, I would definitely hit that. You know, hang loose. This has the feeling of a fake out. Hey, I agree. I agree. Like notice we're up, but a lot of stocks and stuff are paused or at kind of key resistances. So, hey, we'll see. Taking profit on QQQ calls. It might be the moment for it. We got okay, data's coming out. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, we got five things. I forgot personal income and spending too. Okay. Consumer sentiment a little better than expected. That's nice. All right, come on. What's everything else? Okay, PCE came in line. Came in line. Okay. Inflation expectations lower than expected. Hmm. That means okay. So better potential for rate cut potentially. Honestly, I don't think personal income really matters that much. But let's see how we responding. How are things? Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Let's here. We're gonna put on the dollar. Did that affect anything? Not seeing anything. VIX. Not. Okay. TTD trying to move. Okay. Put the call ratio as low. As low. Okay. Hey, Amazon below 230. That's good. Good little movement. Where let me slide this over because I entered on this candle. All right, let's take this to the dollar. Oh, the dollar rising a little bit. That's not a good look. Yeah, if this dollar rises, things might come down. So Amazon trade may be the winner on the day, but we'll see. Broadcom on its way to 400 again. Hey, what's good, Mr. Fancy? Oh wait. Yeah, it could be on its way. I know those options. I can look at it and tell those options are gonna be a grip. All right, so hey, we got the SPY pushing up, but we also got the dollar pushing up. I don't know. Also, I'm like, yo, I took profit on that Uber call at like 90, 40 or so, but hey, Uber is at like 92. That's a extra couple $100 I could have. Hey, we chilling though. We chilling though. We traded our plan. All right, so Google's not really doing anything. I'm gonna take the SPY up to a 4 hour. See. All right, so we're approaching all-time highs. We might have to watch out at all-time highs too, because last time we hit the highs, we pretty much sold off down to this. Hold up. Yeah, yeah. So if we come up to like 690 or anything like that, we might get a little smacked down a little bit. We'll see. We'll switch Broadcom to, let's see. So Apple's at 280, Nvidia. Bitcoin and they're turning them towards the upside now. Okay, that's a good little look then. Here, let's see. Let's see if they can. Let's see if Bitcoin can get above 92K. Like that'll be a real upturn. But otherwise, this is still grounds to continue the trend down if it can't even get above that today. It's like I don't trust all these moves like right away. I gotta see like continuation. We got Apple pulling back, Meta moving up still. Hmm. AMD's doing all right. Uh, Nvidia's not doing as hot though. All right, Bitcoin pushing up. That's a semi good look. Well, I was like 15 and doubled. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Appreciate that answer. Anyhow, out car at work in front of the computer. I heard you take an Amazon play. Gotta make a deposit. That's always fun. I feel like the Amazon is like right around the area where I picked it up. See. Oh, I'm up like $4 on it. Okay. That's cool. Are we going to run today? Looking like a possible. We'll see. We'll see. Let me go back to a 15. Yeah, the Heiken and Ashley candles are they're pushing up, but we'll see. If we run, I'm gonna need Google to run. Yeah, Google let Google run, take some highs. As of right now, um, hey, by the way, I'm fresh to trading and I find Robinhood comfortable for now. While I find TradingView pretty into. How did you start? So TradingView. So I'm making all my trades on Robinhood and in Moomoo, just to be clear. So it's like TradingView. This is just for charting, but it is what is it? But honestly, I don't think it's about how long. It's like how many reps. So it's like I would say like 15 minutes a day. You can get it and understand it pretty fast. It's like just slowly in your free time. Like I don't execute trades on TradingView. I just set alerts. Like if anything, I have let me see. Yeah, I got a couple videos on TradingView. I got what is it? Let me see which one is more fresh. I think this one right here will probably this one. I would say watch this. You'll learn and understand TradingView pretty fast. And then I got another one like if you want to clean up your charts. Or like this one if you want to see how I set my indicators. I would say that's like 45 minutes of like learning, and then you just kind of take that and just practice it. Hey, here's a fun fact. I've been trading with you for a year. Oh, nice. Cool. On your 22nd. Hey, also congrats on the anniversaries. People people have a hard time with commitment these days. So, yo, congrats. Start binge watching your videos while chilling in the hotel. Oh, that's what's up right there. That's what's up. I am thankful for you and your presence. Jumped in 4 SoFi contracts that expired on the night. I was looking at SoFi. Let me come back to it. Let's see. Oh, I think I was watching for this 2663 though. Did you get in calls or puts? I know you said SoFi contracts, but I don't know which way. Lulu. Oh, is Lululemon like blasting up? Yeah, they went on a run. That's like honestly, I clocked them a long time ago. Like looking at the weekly chart, entry was let me see. Yeah, I think this was the entry. This 165. Then they came back, kind of broke it, and it's been like already 2 months. But I guess now it would finally be worth the trade. But yeah, that would have been. I'm finding out that you gotta take some more patience for that start on Lululemon. The trade I think I watch listed. I don't think it did well because it never like really took out off like that. Okay, that's what I be doing nowadays. Shows what you can improve on. Oh yeah, it's very much so yeah, you can adjust things to your liking, and yeah, you can very much so like I have the candles this color and whatnot just because of psychology and whatnot. Like the red and green, it shows a lot more fear. There's a lot more like what is it, cortisol and dopamine and whatnot associated with it. So I try to like limit that. SoFi, $25 call strike. Oh, Palantir's running too. All right, so we got the market moving. Okay. Hold up, what is it? Let's see. Palantir. Was that like 177 the other day? Okay, it's back. It's back above. It's at a resistance, but it's back above. All right, and we got the SPY about like a little over $1 away from all-time highs. Might buy a $40 option and get $20 or so profit and be satisfied. Thinking of 5 or 10xing and just getting out at a lower price. I don't know what stock you're talking about. M-Sense. I have one last trade I took for the day. It's risky. I bought 200 shares of MSTX. So wait, is MSTX bullish or bearish? It's the long move. Let me look at MSTR real quick. I feel like I had like MSTR where it could come down to like my big buy is like down here. So I think it just depends on like where you're trying to, like, I think you can make money short term on it, but like my like when I start actually messing with MSTR, there's like something down here at this level. I don't know what time frame. Oh yeah, it's like right there. So that's when you see me start looking at MSTR. Hopefully we'll be able to flip out and oh yeah, there's potential for that. Potential for that. Yeah, we had just looked at the all-time high a moment ago. It was 689 and some change. 689.73, so just below 690. So we'll see. No particular stock, just a new system. $40 option and plan to get $20. Gotta see some good setups with that, but yeah, it can happen. It's like I feel like the consistency might be tough potentially, but it can happen. Do you think Nvidia will catch up next week because it's so they made some money off Nvidia like twice this week. Let's see. So Nvidia looks like it's about to potentially cross up, but we'll have to see. The 13 looks like it's about to cross above the 48. So it looks like it could be getting ready to kind of take off, but once again, we'll have to see. Like I say, like if Nvidia can get above like 185 and hold, yeah, we'll probably get another move back up to like 200 at least, if not higher, like if not all-time highs. It said AMD, wow. Let's see. Yeah, it's doing well on the day. We gotta watch out for this. What is it? 225 area. There's some sellers there on AMD, but yeah, it's doing well on the day. Google's sleep today. Amazon's chilling today. It might not be my day to actually receive, but I feel like I got some good entries. Oh, snow kind of moving a little bit. Yo, tell me we didn't. Well, Romero, like, hey, shout out to Romero, but tell me we didn't get that at the bottom. Like that, hey, money right there. Let me see how that's moving, just out of curiosity. Oh, it's not moving well. But it will once it moves enough, it'll be all right. But it's showing that I'm down like $11 on it. But hey, either way, we got it at the bottom. It's cool. Meta's sneaking up then. They're at 671. Oh, 672. Ooh. Yeah, Meta sneaking. All right, so market trying to move up. Meta platforms, multiple AI content deals with major publishers. Well, that looks like some reading. We'll have to read that later. TTD trying. Wait, hold up. Nice grab on snow. Yeah, I'll say chart wise. Yeah, appreciate that, D Skirt. Yeah, chart wise, it's nice. Option contract wise, yeah, we'll see. I think that's why I don't normally trade snow, just because of like the spreads and whatnot. But I still like, I feel like with the delta and the move that I saw, I was like, should be enough for like something nice. I'm going to think it over this weekend. Seems like my trades start in my direction, but maybe I buy too late because they turn around too soon. Honestly, that observation, or that like reflection, I'm gonna say sounds pretty solid right there. It sounds like a solid reflection. TTD trying. Let's see. TTD. Oh yeah, it's trying. It is trying. Yo, let it blast off. Kathy Wood dumps millions in Tesla and Meta shares. Oh, Kathy is moving things. Okay. Here, we'll come back. Let me see what Tesla's looking like. All right, Tesla. Okay, it's chilling. Tesla might be getting ready to pull back. Honestly, I'm not gonna trade it though. These Heiken and Ashley candles are momentum wise, they're getting a little sideways. I might try here. I'm gonna look at some like super cheap. I might try a super cheap 0 DTE. Let me see. Wait, SPY, or maybe let me see what it would be if I can get an extra day. Go for Monday. What kind of move did we just make? How much? How far is this? Oh, so we went from 83 to, okay, that's like $4. And this would be about 250. What's the delta on this? What about this? There might be a 0 DTE to go for. This wouldn't be one I share with the Discord though, just because of the risk and just because of the speed. I don't think it would really go well for people. But I'm looking at some. Said SMX halted again. I hadn't even looked at it. Okay, so it's something that is running. Okay. Yes, and it looks like it is not moving. All right, let's see. Apple trying to climb out. Oh no, I'm gonna need Apple to come back down. Make me feel like, oh, I should have stayed in. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm not kidding. Did you get in an Amazon trade? I took a put on Amazon. Yeah, I took a put on Amazon. Everything else I'm in calls on, but Amazon I took a put on. I'm gonna give that Amazon anywhere from I'm gonna give it up to 14 days to play out. I think it can go as far as like 224. Said thanks, Kathy. Yeah, Meta doing his thing. Doing his thing. Oh, you were talking about a 0 DTE on Meta. Yo, if you're feeling that big, go for it. I'm looking at a 0 DTE on the SPY right now. Like I see these I'm looking at these hiking ashy candles. It's losing momentum. I'm a grab it. I'm gonna grab it. I think I'm willing to ride till the end of the stream. All right, I just grabbed a 684 put expiring today. And I paid $30 per share. Oh, what I just, oh, here, can I move it? Will that? No, that will not. Okay. Drag that back over. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, so my entry, like right up here. It'd be amazing if it could make it back down here, but honestly, I'm not looking for anything like spectacular. Yeah, I got in on SPY. I was asking what you were thinking. Oh, yeah. Hope we all make money on snow. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. 500 profit. Money, money, money. All right, up 10% on the SPY put. Y'all see it starting to move. Let's see if we can get some momentum on these candles. Let's see. Unfortunately, this would mean pulling back on those other stocks that were trying to go beast mode today. Let me check in. Let's see how the crypto's doing. Okay, Bitcoin's still at 1K or at 91K. Risky on the 0DTs. Yeah, that's why I only going in with 30. Only going in with 30. I'm watching the momentum on this though. So we'll see. Let me slide this over because I'm definitely not going to be in all this time. See if we can get a little momentum. Debo Sleazy. Hey, what's up, family? How's it going? Oh, Debo too sleazy. My bad. Oh, 80. I didn't even realize that's you. The way YouTube displays names, it's like it's different. But hey, Netflix trying to blast off still. Let's see. At 104. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, my trend line might have been a little off. I was like waiting on it to come get that. I was gonna get a call. But yes, it has, 80. Yes, it has. It's been a minute, and by a minute I mean it's been several thousands, tens of thousands of minutes, a lot of minutes. But it's been a minute. Yep. Ooh. Let's see. Yo, can we get a little rock drop on the spy? Oh, I feel like, yo, let's can we like let's get like 680, 650 or something like that. That would be chill. Hey, my spy contract is losing value. It's losing value as we're just here chilling because it's just doing a consolidation. And that's what happens when you mess with 0DTs. I'm watching these candles. Yo, Loki, I need a snack right now. We go for a snack. Stomach's starting to growl. I don't even think I really had anything to eat today outside of like some vitamins and stuff. All right, we got trying to let me throw a little resistance. Let me throw a little resistance up here. Slide this over and get a good look. For the Qs, and on the 1 minute, it's trying to form a tabletop with buyers holding on for potential. Yo, I'm gonna need it to chill out. Yeah, let's see. You said on the 1 minute. Let's see. Oh, I'm assuming you mean like triple top potentially. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, hold up. Is this? Yeah, we're gonna pause right now on some things. Oh, let's check something. Let's look at this real quick. See if this changed. Nope. What else? Fear and greed index. Let's see where we. Yo, we're almost back to neutral on the fear and greed index. All right, I'm still watching the spy contract. Honestly, it's still trying to ease up on the low. Check gold out. Oh yeah, gold is it's moving on up. Yeah, that's not the best look for the market. That's kind of bearish. Maybe I got in too early, but that's a bearish look. It makes me feel a little better about my Amazon. Kind of makes me want to like cut the Google, but let's see. Silver, silver's up 3%. No, MSense was talking about silver. Oh, silver is third little top up here. Third little triple top or little touch up here. MSense, oops, what I missed. Had to change computers abruptly. Coworkers and their workload. Need a 0 DTE on a squeeze play. No pressure. I'm thinking there's room for us to fall down, but also I'm thinking it's Friday, and I'm thinking they can hold it up all day. So we probably got about an hour left on this stream. So like I don't have a problem like hanging on to this call till the end of the stream, but I might like if we don't get a pullback, I'll probably cut off at that point. Or if we start like rising, I'll cut out too. But I think we'll get a pullback into or this next week or whatnot. From what it's looking like, but things can change. DK. Top of the morning, top of the morning. Hope it all is well. Happy to have you come through today, family. Hey, lift. Is lift lifting? Lift getting lifted? Let's see. What's up? What's up with the liftical? Oh, hold up. I didn't even say Siri. Siri trying to start listening to me. It's crazy how big of a move that looks like it is, but it's not like dollar wise it's not crazy. But that movement looks crazy. Family said we're 70% green. Plot twist, we're closing red today. I'm kidding. Let's see. 12% up on the week. Percent more important than money. Hey, I say it just depends on how you're taking the. I'll say it depends on your position, honestly. But overall, yeah. I do see some type of pullback on the SPY. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to see if we can get some like quick momentum on here. Like if it wanted to just like mirror this move to the downside, yo, I wouldn't be mad at it. Yeah, let's see if we can pick up. Yeah, let me bring this let's bring this down a little bit. It's just like a 5. There we go. On a Friday, you know they're good for. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. Sometimes they like to wait till after hours, or they say, "Oh, what's that? He's done streaming. Drop it." But they like to wait. I already see AMD pulling back a good amount. I mean, it was yeah, because it was around like 223, 224. Yeah, it's back to it's below 220 now. Come on, drop the stocks. Let's go. For real, it just can't keep. Hey, I will say we gotta be careful about the attitude of it. Can't just keep going up though. They like to. I don't know the market. The markets. It has a way of playing games and continuing to go up. Like to me, it doesn't necessarily make sense that we are where we are right now, but we keep rolling with it. We keep rolling with it. Here, let's. Yo, it's definitely trying. Oh, my contract is almost back to its place. Oh yeah, it's back to its price. Come on, I'm break even on it now. Let's go. Rap hip hop version. Yeah, I feel you. Yes. Not the bass. Drop the stocks. Let's sir. Let's get it. Bro, that's crazy. I remember I was in high school and there was like that period when dubstep step was like, yo, it was like all it. Like everybody was listening to it. You said what I buy? So I grabbed a zero DTE for fun. I grabbed like a 684 put just because I had like a $30 budget. So I was like, yo, let's get this one. But it's like if we get to 680, 650, I'm like, I'm cooling, I'm out. All right, up like $2 on it now. That's up 3%. Okay. Or 10%, $3. Okay. Hey, we'll take it. See if we can get some real momentum. Oh, mouse moving around. Just got all these mice and oh no, hold up. Okay. All right, hey. This might be my chance. Honestly, the contract's not moving too crazy, but let's see. Can we get these red candles to continue on? Oh, I want to look at these on a 1 minute real quick too. Yeah, I'm gonna watch this on a 1 minute for now. Netflix on that yo-yo Trump potential block of. Oh, really? Really? Let's see. I don't even see anything yet. Maybe it's on Moomoo. All right, let me take it back to the two. Yeah, they're trying to devalue my stock or my contract. It's on news now. That's crazy. Yo, they're really trying to hold it up. Really trying to hold it up right now. Are we gonna sit here in barcode? CNBC reporting on the Netflix deal. Netflix is Netflix is looking like what I want other things to. Not much of a range today. We'll see. We'll see. It's still honestly it's still early. It's like I normally come in. I start looking at like what I started like 10:30, but it's also a Friday, so I feel like there is grounds to come down. Like I feel like I think the Amazon might do some moving today. I'm curious how the snow's looking real quick. Oh, snow pulled back again. What was it? Yeah, let's see. If the Amazon makes this move today, I'm cool. TTD is still looking good too. For now, I just want some movement. All right, I see some pulling back, especially on the Qs. All right, we're crossing this line again. Let's see. All right, my contact is a little bit like I'm up again, up again. Okay. Can we get some momentum, some real selling pressure? Hey, TTD trying to go up though, but give us some real selling pressure. Come on now. Bro, 0 day T's or DTs are wild. I am up. Come on, bring it on down. Bring it on down. Okay, movement. Okay. Hey, there we go. There's some movement. All right. Yes. Can we see more? Can we see more? Do you think we're going to get a pullback on this? Uh, that is what I'm trading right now. Um, how much of a pullback? I don't know, but yeah, that's what I'm trading right now. Just wondering if we can get the question is how big of a pullback. Just realized I'm in SPY put. Forgot to set it to buy at 28. I'm up. Hey, nice. For should I get out? That's a good question, M Sense. Yo, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't give financial advice. But most of the time, you know what I always say. If you have to ask someone if you should get out, it's probably a good time to get out. It's like it's like guaranteed money or go take a red, lose it, and then waste the trade as well. It's like one is guaranteed and the other is greed. It's like, oh, do I? It's like, do I chase the greed? Yeah, just kind of comes down. It's like I'm still in mine, but it's like I also like when I enter this trade, I'm like, oh, yo, it's $30. I am willing to lose this with the family on stream today. But also, when I got in, I was looking at a certain area. And M sense, that's always gonna be what I say in that situation. Cause yo, I'm not one to take responsibility for anybody's decisions. It's like there are times I remember like on the cool there was a couple like I think in 2022 it's crazy like I was helping someone like one on one like it was around like it was shortly after I had made like 40K on either Nvidia or Amazon. Not Nvidia, it was either Amazon or Google. But yeah, I was like making money like regularly, like big money, like 12 to 8K, like just because I was trading with more money. And it's like, yo, I had some. Hold on, we're about there. I'm a. Oh, it's crazy how quick these prices change, man. I cut out at $41 per share, just cause I'm cool in there. That's a that's a good enough return. It's good enough. We'll be here. That's a hold up. That's a 36% return. Can't complain. Like it's still going, but I'm not tripping. So hey, it's all good. Yeah, we took a little one in trade. The little fun balance, the balance for next Friday is higher. So we're chilling. We're chilling. But I was saying like I don't like I cannot take legally I cannot take responsibility, but like before I knew about all that back in like 2022, someone reached out to me and like pretty much just like yo, we were on Zoom, we were taking trades live together. He was like new, he didn't really fully grasp what he's doing. Honestly, I think to this day he still doesn't. Like if I'm being real, he like beats down my DMs trying to essentially get me to do the same thing, but it's like it's that's not good. That's not helpful, and it's like it's not legal. But it was like pretty much it's like I would tell him like, yo, let's take the entry right here at this time on this whatever, and like yo, homie started with like 2K, quickly ran up to like 8K, then like he's like, oh, I think I need a trading setup and all that stuff. I need the computers and all this stuff and blah blah blah. And I was working at Best Buy at the time, so I told him like, oh yeah, if you want to. I was like, yo, this, and this. And then he went and he got the most unnecessary stuff, and I'm like, yo, that is not what I said. And then like I told him I was like, yo, I can't trade this day, but I'm like, do not take any trades without me because I it was clear that he wasn't fully comprehending and like he's like I think I should keep holding because he's like some days like the trades would keep running and it's like he's like oh I can make more money. I'm like no we made plenty like we legit went from 2K to 8K in a matter of a couple days. And he went to Best Buy, probably spent like 4 grand on a new computer, some monitors, and all that stuff. And I'm just like, yo, like chill out. Like it's bad to get access to all this too fast. And then like what was worse, he had a family and stuff to provide for. He had a good paying job, but it's like, it wasn't cool. And then what was it like a couple days, like the day I told him not to trade, he's like I took a trade. He's like, don't be mad, I took a trade. And then pretty much he lost like everything. And he's like, what do I do? I was like, I told you not to trade. It's like, if you're gonna like look to me to follow my trades, it's like, when I say don't trade too. And like homie traded, he like lost it all. And then he ended up having to return everything he bought from Best Buy. And it was rough, honestly. And I think he ended up like losing the money he initially started with too. And it's like, it was a quick roller coaster. I'm just like, yo. And it's like it's like he's not cool with like being with a group of people learning. It's like, I don't even think he wants to learn. He just wants the trades. It's like, I'm not here to just give out trades. It's like, yo, we're here to learn together, maybe take some variant of what I'm doing, but nah, I don't just give out trades. All right, let's see. But yeah, it's like, yo, homies in my prayers, but yeah, I can't like work with them. Do you? Okay, just realized. Okay. Hey, Philip, top of the morning. So I had a spot put on the spy. It was a cheap one. Paid like $30 for it. I think cut out at like $41. It looks like it might still be moving, but I just wanted the W. It was a I think it was a 684 0 DTE on the spy. Backup 9, procrastinating at its best. All right, once again, this is what I mean. It's like, yo, I can't take responsibility. You see, I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade. I'm trying to like, I think yesterday, since we talked about like kind of practicing what I preach. It's like, I see it can go further. Like if I were going to be greedy, I would maybe look for 686. But I think I was initially looking for like 686.50 and then hit that. But yeah, if I were trying to be greedy, I'd look for like 686. It came to 686.27, and I'm like, oh no, that's cool. That's awesome. I'm trying to do the same if the 686 put gets as cheap as $50. Yeah, I'm gonna say, like, looking at the 5 minute chart, I'm gonna say any instance if the chart comes to 685.40, there is liquidity there, and that would be kind of grounds for at least some kind of pullback to the upside. Maybe it may not be as big, but just want to let y'all know about that. Because that would be around the double top. It says 686 put. Oh, okay. So you're targeting like, oh yeah. Oh wait, hold up. So if it came back to form a double top, that could be something. If it happens soon. I'm gonna be real. I'm done trading for the day. After that little day trade, like I got my quick 30%. I like that 30% number. Hey, good stuff, M-Sense. Glad it worked out. Glad it worked out. But what was I gonna say? On the day, I think probably need to get out of this Google. On the day I took a put on Amazon, I think this is something that over either next week or the week after, that's going to pay. That's an awesome trade, though. If I was. Appreciate that, Philip. Hey, it just happens like that sometimes. Yeah, we get here when we get here. Hey, but happy to see you here. How's Wolf been for you? I knew there'd be a little bit of a Friday. Honestly, I couldn't. I'm not sure I could have called this like a Friday pop we had. I thought, but honestly, it had me thinking like we were going to come to all-time highs. I'm gonna close that out though. Also, let me mark when I exited the trade. So I think. Yeah, let me check the time I got out. I'm gonna start trying to like document my trades on shorts, like on like reels or whatnot. Hey, hold up, y'all. All right, so I just got like this. I just started like a trading Instagram. If y'all are on Instagram, follow it. Let me I'm gonna drop the link. Let me first get it real quick. Oh, I'm not even signed into it. Hold up. But yeah, I'm about to start posting on it. I just started what is it? I recorded some stuff for it last night. Let me share it. It's like I don't want to give up my regular Instagram. I don't want my regular Instagram to be all trading stuff. But yeah, if you're on Instagram and you want trading content, this is where I'm going to put that. So, yo, check that link in the link that I just posted. In I'm gonna make that pinned comment. Yeah, y'all be sure to follow that up. I'm gonna have shorts and trade recaps and like little trading motivation and little tips and stuff. That is my intention for that. But yeah, I don't want to do that on my regular story with like all my the people I grew up with, just because I don't think everyone is like cut from that cloth. Oh, really? Oh, these curves, first follower. Oh shoot! Hold up, I'm on these curves profile. Is that a goat? What's that? Looks like a dog. It looks like a goat, but it or a sheep or something. But the body like looks like a dog or something. I don't know. But cool. Oh, D Scurv, Anthony. Okay. Yo, I see y'all coming through. All right, let me mark when I exited this. I'm probably doing on this too, but this is something I want to start doing. That way, it's like I don't do like full on recaps, and it's like if I'm being honest, I wanted to do this for a while, and it's like I'm like, yo, let's I see people's stuff, and I'm like, oh, that looks like a lot of work, and I'm like, I don't have the time to do that. So this it's going to be very basic, but it's going to be like it's going to be helpful. Like it's going to be like, oh, I don't know. It's going to be a lot of things, honestly, but it's going to be somewhere I can like share it and like have people that actually resonate. That's a goat, the black one anyway. In the AR seems like in Arkansas, that was a goat. Like I don't know. His fur seems so smooth. Oh no, you said it was a goat. Never mind. Okay, I was thinking sheep because I'm like, yo, that the sheep. If that were a sheep, but that makes a little more sense of goat. But still, I'm gonna be real. Like the fur on it looked like a dog more so because it was like a smooth. All right, let me see if I can find this like exactly what time I got out of this so I can like mark this up so it'll be easier for me to chart this. All right, so I got out at 9:56, which on this candle, so probably about right in here. All right, so that's a 30% move. All right, cool. All right, so this is what a 30% move on a zero DTE looks like. That was kind of far out of the money. Let's so how far did it take? Okay, it was $1.61. It was, the strike wasn't even close. Okay, that's a good little, like it's good data. It's good data for the build up. Let's see how Snow's holding up. Where's Snow? Right, Snow moving down. I was trying to look at it over here. All right. Took took override or T override. Tech override. Hey, appreciate you, family. Hold on, let me. I feel like YouTube really messed it up whenever they switch to these ad names. Okay, let's see. Sir Blue is his name. It had blue eyes. That's crazy. That's wild. Oh, okay. So it actually ended up coming to about that 600 level. Let's see. Or not 600, 686. That's crazy. Or no, it didn't. It's still like 7 cents away, but it basically came there. So there was money on the table, but it's all good. I want y'all to notice these hiking ashy candles. I'm not sure if Henry's still here, but Henry put me on these. I know some of y'all have also like tried to ask me about these, but one day, like when we're on the like on the Monday through Thursday, like kind of private streams, things are a little slower, so we have time to like go over just random stuff. Like I hopped in Chat GPT and like it basically explained these hiking ashy candles to me. And I was like, you know what? Let's throw these up. Let's look at them. And it's like, yo, these are kind of solid momentum candles. So notice, like, ever since we really got our move, it's kind of continuously been like red candles, and it's still moving down. If I were in something like if I were in a swing trade, like how I am with everything else, and had more time on the contract, I would still be riding, but because it was a zero DT, I'm like, oh yeah, let me get out. I'm starting to see some wicks on these. So look at Ethereum and Bitcoin. We're coming down more. Hey, as long as oh yeah, oh my goodness. Here, let's. Oh, we got oh that's a 15 minute. Oh, I knew it looked like when we were up here. I was like, yo, we gotta. Yeah, we're coming down more. Let's see what's gold looking. Gold Bro, gold lost it. What is up? Wasn't gold doing? Oh wait, that's a 1 minute. I'm like, yo, bro, gold. What happened? Something. It's recent. Whatever just happened with gold. Y'all, I gotta eat something. I gotta eat something, y'all. Bro, my hunger is trying to turn up. But I don't know what just happened, but that's wild. Building your BMNR stockpile. Hey, yeah, opportunity is starting to knock. It's starting to knock. I think I was looking at BMNR and I like saw a level and I was like, oh. But at first I was like, yo, sub 30. I was like, cool. Here, let's see. Hold up. Let me see what that level that I was like, oh yeah, we in there. But let's see. Let me zoom on out. Oh yeah, I think I got like 1351. That's when it's like, yo, I might just go in and grab 100. Silver spinning around as well. Really? Oh yeah. Yeah, that looked like twins. Oh yeah, that put. Oh, hey, this is where the this is where the little this is where they get you. Where it's like, oh, I should have stayed in the trade. I'm not gonna say I should have stayed in the trade. I'm 100% happy with the trade I took. But it's like, yo, you see it, it's like, oh, that hurts. It's still moving. Hey, it's all good. We live to trade another day. Um, all we're trying to do, build the habit of consistency. We want the consistent wins, and that's how you build confidence. So, I'm here to, it's a marathon, not a sprint, and that's all it is to it. So, trying to be more responsible. It's like I would rather take like a bunch of 30% cent trades every year as opposed to losing 50% on a trade, losing 20% on a trade, losing 70% on a trade, blah blah blah, then hitting like a 300%er and just kind of doing a cycle of that. It has a gap to fill. We'll look at that in a moment. They're going to have a small image. Hey, peace out, Philip. Have a blessed day. I didn't know they had a dividend. That's crazy. But let's see. You're talking about the gap to fill on silver. They got a lot of gaps to the downside too. Like they still got a gap down to like almost 47 that needs to be filled. So yeah, those are likely to get filled at some point. Like if we look over here on November 7th, there was a gap up, and you can see that gap, while it seemed like it got forgotten about over here, it came back and got filled on like 2 weeks later. So we got gaps. So the last like gap, November 25th. We got there's some gaps to be filled for sure. Yeah, I'm seeing more gaps as well. Probably just need to find a good 3 week swing. That's my thing. Get the little time, get something that's a little more comfortable. Just cut out when you can. Check your Amazon. It's moving a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, I'm up like a little over 6%. It's up $14. But yeah, if it wants to like move. Yeah, when it wants to, actually it did kind of like pull back. Like, I guess like 228. Wait, was that recent or was that from earlier? Oh wait, hold up. Oh no, yeah, that was from earlier. So we'll get to it. We'll get to it. You say, yo, or you should go eat. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna go eat. Stream we'll end the stream in like 10 minutes or so. Yeah, gotta eat. But hungry too, but bad I'm working. Hey, I know the feeling. Know the feeling. Good. I don't know. The important thing is like I keep my mind fed. That's all good. It's like I don't know. It's like actually I don't want to say anything that's potentially like some people will take it the wrong way and it'll be like harmful. So I'm not gonna say what I was about to say because some people take things overboard. But sometimes I'm gonna say sometimes there is benefit for me being hungry, and I'm gonna just leave it at that. What the deep on the spot? What are you trying to say, Kong? When deciding options, higher the volume, the better. So higher volume can mean a lot of things. The something I will say about higher volume is, well, okay, wait, that's volume. If you're talking about the volume of the stock being traded, that typically means it's going to be easier to get in and out of the contract. So if that's the better you mean, then yes. But there is also volume of the contract. That might mean that contract has a lot of attention for the day, and that's probably oftentimes it'll be the contracts closest to the money that have the most attention. But I wouldn't necessarily call those better because sometimes you get contract walls put there, and if they're like the ones with the highest volume, if the volume is high enough, sometimes the market makers will do what they can to press to make sure the least of those contracts make any money. So I'm gonna say it depends. Looking at silver, see 310 volume, then oh, I would personally go for more volume on something like a silver. Yeah, that's I feel like contracts and whatnot, it's not manipulated the same way as the spy. So yeah, it's gonna be different. Like when it's something that is less popular to options, Yeah, you want to see volume and open interest, whatnot, is what I would say. All right, Bitcoin at 89. The 310 has the higher delta. I know higher delta also is higher money. So honestly, it's like usually I get the best one or like the highest one that I can afford or the highest one that is within the budget I had set for it, but I just want to think just want to look at the move that I think is possible for it. And if I think like that delta is fair enough for it, then it's like, okay. All right, so it says yen carry trade collision, Bank of Japan's rate shock aims at Bitcoin. All right, so this is likely a continuation of the carry trade is what that's saying. Like last week that Bitcoin sold off like this? Or this was oh yeah, I guess it was earlier, like in the beginning of the week. So this looks like a continuation of it. No, this was last Wednesday. Then we had it again on Sunday. And, oh, it's kind of an uptrend within the downtrend. Things do that as well, but $10 difference with so much difference in volume. Hey, definitely nothing wrong with the little wonder. Here, let me see how TDT's looking on the. Ooh, okay. Okay, so I forgot TTD was down here. And like, okay, I did say yesterday, I was like, yo, I'm more concerned about the week. If TTD closes above like 40, that's a good look for me. Like on this weekly candle. So that's cool. That's cool to me. It's like I will still remain patient with that. So yeah, I'm like in weekly on TTD. I'm holding. So I just hope it stays up here. We got. I don't think we're not fully halfway through the day yet. So it's like, yo, we don't know how the day is gonna look, but we can. Yo, I would like it to stay where it is or go higher. Alright, pulling on back some more. Alright, so I'm gonna spy pulling on back to this 685.31. There will likely be some kind of like buy up to at least 686.07 based off the 5. Let's look at it on a hold up, wrong chart. Let's look at it on a 15. See what that's looking. Oh, it's like non-existent on the 15. But this is also the 48 EMA. Oh. See what it looks like on the 30. Oh, this might be the 3 on the 30 right there. So you have a TT. So TTD, I feel like it's to the second week of December. I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah, I got a $45 call that expires January 16th. I'm down like $40 on it, 23%. But yeah, I got a TTD call. I paid like $169. It's going for $129. And it expires on the 16th of January. The basis behind the trade, I think, yeah, we got some weekly liquidity here. And you can see, like, we came, swept it. First week we swept it. And next week we kind of swept it again. This week we swept it again. But this time it looks like, hey, we might be leaving depending on how much it kind of goes. Oh, you got the next week expiration on TTG. Yeah, M-Sense built different. Like M-Sense is very bold, but they could play. So we'll be seeing. Oh, hold up. Yo, that's gonna be it for the stream. I didn't even realize we passed over the time, but yo, family, your boy's about to get ready to eat. But yeah, with that being said, family, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming through. Oh shoot, these skirts said what's up too. Dang, I missed some comments. But yeah, wait. I made $5 profit on, hey, good stuff. Bitcoin, trying to lose. Hey, peace out, D-Skirt. But yeah, with that being said, family, hey, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, D-Skirt. Peace out, Mr. Fancy. Peace out, Kong. Peace out, Edward. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, April. What else we got on here? Peace out, Tech Override. Peace out, Philip. Yo, peace out, DK. Peace out, Romero. Peace out, Christopher. Peace out, Savon. Peace out, Kong. Yo. Peace out, my life be like, yeah. All y'all have an amazing day. Enjoy that bread. Hey, Spencer, what's up? What's up? Yo. Yeah, we'll have to talk real quick. But yeah, that being said, family, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family.